Hey everyone, back here at the North Street Hingham renovation project. It's April 6th. You can see we got snow and two full dumpsters out here ready to be picked up. I'm gonna go inside and see what the progress is this week on this property. Basically been waiting for a building permit that finally came in. So if you remember seeing the video from last week, all of this is going to come out, all these studs, and there's going to be a 22-foot steel beam that is going to go the length of from the kitchen to basically the front of the house. So, and the last time we were here, there was a chimney right in the center of the kitchen, and that has been removed. So chimney that went all the way from the basement from the furnace all the way out the roof has been taken out. So that is really going to open up this space quite a bit. So once the steel beam goes in, this and supports the second floor, all of these studs that you see are going to come out. This is going to be a wide open space here on the first floor. So why don't we go upstairs and see how that looks and how it changes the layout of the master bedroom and the bathroom. And well, it makes a huge difference. So, you know, right here before was a chimney, and you can see where it's covered up. So that chimney basically went right up through the attic and out the roof. So that's been patched up for now. And so what we have is a much larger second floor master bedroom that this is going to become, and gives a little bit more room for the bathroom that's going to be over here as well. So that makes a huge difference, taking out that chimney. Basically, these old houses, a lot of them had those center chimneys, and this is the time to take them out. Can't do it later after you renovate. So I'm just going to change the whole floor plan of the house and just create a really nice living area on both the first and second floor. So next week I will check in with you again for another update. We'll show you what the progress is.